JoJo Gnome and the Decorations. Auntie Molly was making lots of bunting for the Common Elf Games. "Can I make some?" asked JoJo Gnome. "Well, I've got some extra white bunting here," said Auntie Molly. "Why don't you do some designs on it?" JoJo smiled. "I know just what I'll do," he said. "What patterns do you think JoJo Gnome will make on the bunting?"
At Antonine Primary School, this is what we thought. JoJo Gnome would make These are our ideas. What would you do? We love JoJo Gnome.